Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do an FAQ on the Realme U1. So Realme U1 is the latest device announced by the company in India, and this is a device which is priced slightly lower than the Realme 2 Pro, which was announced a few months back. So Realme U1 comes below the 15K price segment. It's a power packed device with a Helio P70 octa-core chipset, and it has a good selfie camera with a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera. So in this video we'll talk about the device. We'll do an FAQ covering all the aspects of the device. So let's get started. First step, let's have a look at the sensors available on the device. So we have installed the sensors app on this device. Let's open the app, and you can see that it comes with all the basic sensors: accelerometer, magnetic sensor, gyroscope, light, proximity, and all the basic sensors are included on the Realme U1. Now next, let's talk about the display quality. So this device comes with a 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display, and you can see the dewdrop notch, and this looks really nice, and you can see the bezels are minimalized, and you can also see that the display quality looks pretty good. It is a full HD plus resolution display. It's an IPS LCD panel, and you can also see the touch response feels really smooth, and viewing angles are also pretty good on this device. The device is protected by Gorilla Glass, so it's a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 version on the display, so you can get pretty basic protection for the display from scratches and other issues. Now moving on to the SIM cards. So the phone comes with a dedicated SD card slot and dual SIM cards, so it's a triple slot, and you can see that we are using two Geo SIM cards here, and you can see that there is VoLTE for both the SIM cards, VoLTE 1 and 2. So there is dual VoLTE support on this device, and there is also an SD card expansion slot, so in case you want to use an SD card, you don't have to compromise on SIM cards. So that's the SIM card information on the Realme U1, and there is also dual VoLTE support available. Now talking about the storage, so this phone comes with two storage variants. We have the 64GB storage variant, and there is also a variant with 32GB storage being offered. So those are the two storage variants. So you can see that we have the 64GB storage variant, and there is also another variant with 32GB storage being offered, and the 32GB storage variant has 3GB RAM, while the variant with 64GB storage has 4GB RAM. Now moving on to the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner placement is on the back panel. So this is where the fingerprint scanner is placed. So we'll just demo the fingerprint scanner performance. So similar to the Realme 2 Pro, the fingerprint scanner is extremely responsive, and it unlocks in really good time. Now talking about the face unlock. So we just set the face unlock on this device. We'll just demo it. So the face unlock is again really fast, and there is also display brightness compensation for unlocking the device in extreme low light conditions. Now talking about the software. So the phone runs on the ColorOS 5.2, that's the version. So you can just check the about version, ColorOS version 5.2, and we have Android version as Android 8.1 Oreo. And this does come with a lot of modes and features. You can see that there is a lot of options, including dual app support. There is app split screen, then gaming space is also included. We have some themes for customization, then some smart and convenient option allows you to customize the navigational buttons. So those things are included on this device. So this does come with a lot of additional features and modes in the software. Now talking about the performance, so this phone runs on the Helio P70 octa-core chipset. It's a global debut for the Helio P70, and we'll just show you the benchmark score for the Helio P70. It's a really powerful chipset in this price segment, and you can see the benchmark score is much better than the Snapdragon 660 and also the Snapdragon 636. So it's almost closer to 660, but it's definitely better than the 636 in terms of the performance. We also done a detailed gaming performance test of this device. We played PUBG Mobile and also Asphalt 9, and it was really smooth experience. No major lags or issues. You can also check out that video where we done a detailed gaming test and found the gaming to be pretty good on this device. So that's the performance aspect of the Realme U1. Now talking about the battery, so the phone comes with a 3500 mAh capacity battery. There is no fast charging supported on this device. It comes with a 5V 2A, that's a standard 10W charger, and it takes around 2 hours to charge the device. So there is no fast charging supported on this device. That is quite acceptable because this is a 12K price device. You don't get fast charging for most of the smartphones in that price segment. So that's the same case with the Realme U1 as well. Now the battery life is quite good. You can get slightly more than a day with the normal or regular usage, but we can't really measure the screen on time because the ColorOS does not have that option. But the battery life is quite good on this device. You can easily get slightly more than a day with a 3500 mAh capacity battery. You can get slightly more than a day with the 3500 mAh capacity battery. Now talking about the speaker performance. So the speaker is mounted at the bottom section, so that's where the speaker is. So we'll just play a track and then we'll just show you how much sound output is available on this device. So it's an adequately loud speaker on the Realme U1, and the quality also looks quite good. Now talking about the LED notification. So this is something which is missing on the Realme 2 Pro. Let's see if the device does come with any LED notification. So we just connected the device to charging, and you can see there is no LED notification available on the Realme U1. So no LED notification, so it does not come with an LED notification on the device. So that's something which is missing on the Realme U1. Now talking about the USB OTG functionality. So we have an OTG pen drive. We'll just connect this. Before connecting that, you need to go to the settings and go to additional settings and enable the OTG functionality here. So once you have enabled it, you can connect any pen drives to this device and access the files on the device. So once you connected, you can see that it will show the OTG storage as well on the device. So that's the OTG functionality on the Realme U1. Now finally talking about the camera quality. So the phone comes with a dual camera setup, 13 and 2 megapixel rear camera, f-stop 2.2 aperture, and the front camera is a 25 megapixel f2.0 Sony IMX576 sensor, and the selfie camera is definitely good. We have done a detailed camera review of this device and found this camera to be quite a capable one, if not the best, but the selfie experience is really great on this device. Here are a couple of samples we have taken with the front facing camera, and it has come really good and probably one of the best selfie experience in the sub 12K price segment. So that was a detailed FAQ on the Realme U1, and the device will go on sale on December 5th on Amazon, and the pricing is 11,999 for the 332GB storage variant and 14,500 or 14,499 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. So we'll leave the link in the description of this video in case you want to buy the device. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.